Hey, what's up guys? Kuroda here with Certified Producers, and this is the Harmonic Minor Scale. Okay, so the Harmonic Minor Scale has the same notes as the natural minor scale, except that the 7th degree is raised by one semitone, creating an augmented second between the 6th and 7th degrees. This can be built by lowering the 3rd and 6th degrees of the parallel major scale by one semitone. In other words, you bring down the 3rd and 6th note of your scale by one semitone. Okay, so this is the A major scale, and in order for us to make an A harmonic minor scale, we lower the 3rds and the 6th. Okay, time to make the beat, and let's make Mozart happy. Now we're going for a dark trap type of beat here, so for the melody, make it as spooky and dark as possible. So I've already constructed a melody here, and we're in the key of A, so we're using the A harmonic minor scale. And just rearrange the notes. As always, play with the scale and you'll come up with something good. I also have here the chords for our chord progression. Let's hear the melody and the chords together. Next is you want to layer those chords with some pads. I have two pads here. One is playing a lower octave and one is playing an octave higher. So you can layer a counter melody on top of your melody. So I have two counter melodies here. One is playing half notes and the other one is playing an arpeggiator. Construct your trap drums. Make an 808 pattern. And you're good to go. Now let's see what we got. Now if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and we're trying to get to 10,000 subs here. I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Leave a comment below of what type of videos you want to see in the future. Also, if you head to our website, we have a bunch of stuff like bundles, sample pack, and courses that are on sale right now, especially our ultimate beat selling secrets. If you want to learn how to sell your beats, this will be perfect for you. So just head over to certifiedproducer.com to get these cool stuff that will help you in your music career. If you want to work with us directly, just head over to the link in the description. Peace.